So the answer will be equals to negative 1. In example C, log A of 1. So as I mentioned just now, log of anything, base of any base of 1, the answer is always 0. Alright, so in this case, we know that the log 1 is actually equals to A to the power 0. So we can cancel log A and A. So the answer will be 0 here. In example D, we are asked to find log base 4 of 2. So what we need to do is to change the log base 4 to log base 2. So remember the formula earlier? When we change log 4 to log 2, then 2 here will become the numerator and 4 will become the denominator. So we will have log base 2 of 2 and log base 2 of 4. And from here, change the 4 to 2 to the power 2 here. Okay? Then log 2 and 2 we can cancel, remainder 1. And the denominator we have log 2 and 2 cancel, we have 2. So therefore the answer will remain 1 over 2 here. Okay? In example E, log base 4 of 2 plus log base 4 of 8. So what we need to do is we need to change base 4 to base 2 because we cannot find we cannot change the 2 to base 4. Okay? So we can change to base 2 for these two log. So first step is to change to base 2. When we change to base 2, so we have log base 2 of 2 over log base 2 of 4. Remember that? Plus, so log base 2 of 8 over log base 2 of 4. Okay, 8 will become the numerator and the 4 will become the denominator. So from here, change 2 become 2 to the power 1, 4 becomes 2 to the power 2. And here 8 will become 2 to the power 3 and 4 will be 2 to the power 2. And then what we do now is to cancel log 2 and 2, remainder 1. Denominator log 2 and 2 cancel, we have 2. Here we have log 2 and 2 cancel will give us 3 and log 2 and 2 cancel will give us 2. So when we simplify, the left hand side is 1 over 2 and the right hand side is 3 over 2. So 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2 will give us 4 over 2 or equals to 2. Okay? Alright, let's look at example F. Log base 6 of 54 minus log base 6 of 9. Alright, so from here, what we do is since we have log base 6 and log base 6 here, we take out the log base 6, okay? And since this is minus, then we take 54 divided by 9, okay? And then from here, 54 divided by 9 is equals to 6. Now we can cancel log 6 and 6, so the answer will be equals to 1, okay? Okay, let's look at example 8 now. We are asked to find the value of x for the following equations. Alright? In example A, we are given log 2x plus 1 equals to log x plus 6. Now, look at the log on the left hand side and log on the right hand side. If the base is not written, it is understood that it is base 10. Okay? So since on the left we have log, on the right we have log, we can cancel both the logs. Okay? And now what we get is 2x plus 1 equals to x plus 6. So from here, shift the x to the left, shift the 1 to the right. So we will get 2x minus x equals to x, and 6 minus 1 will give us 5. Okay? So that's the answer for question A. For question B, we are given log base x of 6 minus x equals to 2. So what we do is to take the x to the power 2 will be equals to 6 minus x. So we write like this. Then shift the 6 minus x to the left now. We will get x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. So next step is to factorize it. So when we factorize x squared plus x minus 6, we will get x plus 3 and x minus 2. So therefore x will be equals to negative 3 and x equals to 2. But in log, we do not have negative base. So since there is no negative, what we do is we cancel off this answer of x equals to negative 3 and we just take the value of x equals to 2. Okay? Now in example C, right? We have log base 3 of x equals to 2. So same thing, we take 3 to the power 2 equals to x. So therefore we can write x equals to 3 to the power 2, which is equals to 9. Okay? Now example D, we are given log x equals to negative 1. So remember, log without the base here, understood it is base 10. So from here we can say 10 to the power negative 1 equals to x, or x equals to 10 to the power negative 1, which is 1 over 10. Okay. Now move on to example E. Log base 2 of x to the power 4 plus log base 2 for x equals to 12. So what we do is, since on the left side we have log base 2 and log base 2, we can take out the log base 2 here. And since this is plus, then we take x to the power 4 times 4x here. Alright? So equals to 12. So the next step is 4x times x to the power 4 will give us 4x to the power 5. Okay? And then we have 2 to the power 12 will be equals to 4x to the power 5. And since 4 is 2 to the power 2, on the right hand side we have 2 to the power 12, we can cancel 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 12. So on the left side we have x to the power 5, and on the right hand side we have cancel of 2, so remainder 10 more power here. Okay? And 10 we can actually, 2 to the power 10 we change it to 2 to the power 2 to the power 5. Okay? So since we have power 5 and power 5 left hand side and right hand side, we can cancel. Then we can say x equals to 2 to the power 2 or x equals to 4. Alright? Example F, if we are given log x minus log bracket x minus 1 equals to log. Now we have log here and also on the right hand side. So what we do is to simplify the left hand side, log and log, we can take out the log. When we take out the log, minus, we will take x divided by x minus 1 equals to right hand side log 4. So since on the left side we have log, on the right hand side we have log, we just cancel the log. So remainder x over x minus 1 equals to 4. So from here, shift the x minus 1 to the right, we multiply by 4, will give us 4x minus 4. And then move the 4x to the left, so x minus 4x equals to negative 3x equals to negative 4. So therefore x is equals to negative 4 divided by negative 3. The answer is 4 over 3.